Find equivalent fractions for the given pair of fractions such that the fractional units are the same. So let me explain this. So we have 7 by 2. Or let me put it in this way. Fractional units of 7 by 2 is 1 by 2. Do you guys agree? And that of 3 by 5 is 1 by 5. Agree? So basically, we are distributing 1/5 3 times. We are distributing half 7 times. That's what it means. They want this two to be equal. How do we do that? Find equivalent fraction for given pair of fractions such that the fractional units are the same. So I need to make 5 and 2 same. How? I need to multiply with something. What is that something? Basically, we are looking at LCM of 2 and 5. As simple as that. What is the LCM of 2 and 5? 2 5s are 10. So now what will I do is I will multiply 7 by 2 with 5. And so making this as 35 by 10. And 3 by 5 with 2, making this as 6 by 10. And as you can see, now the denominator is the same. Find equivalent fractions for the given pair of fractions such that the fractional units are the same. So 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 10, while 3 by 5 is equal to 6 by 10, and the fractional units are the same. So this is what they are asking us to do. So now I would like you guys to pause and figure out the next question. First thing is fractional units of 8 by 3 is how much? Correct, 1 by 3. And that of 5 by 6 is correct, 1 by 6. Now, LCM of 3 and 6 is what you need to figure out to make the denominator same, making the fractional unit same for both. So LCM of 3 and 6 is correct, 6 itself. And so, oh yeah, by the way, they want us to have an equivalent fraction. So LCM is 6, but we need another common factor, common multiple. I'll go with 12. Remember, we need equivalent fractions. So 8 by 3 is given by 8 by 3 into, we have to make 3 as 12. What should I multiply? With 4. And 8 4s are 32, 4 3s are 12. So 8 by 3 is same as 32 by 12, and 5 by 6, 5 into 6 into what? 2. So 5 into 2 is 10, 6 into 2 is 12. So 12 and 12, we have the same fractional unit, while the numerator, yes, it's different. And all of this is equal to its respective fractions. Two more questions for us to practice. First thing is, we are looking at fractional units of 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4, and that of 3 by 5. Just a second. Three by 5 is 1 by 5. Next, let's figure out LCM. See guys, LCM in this case, it didn't work out because we wanted a new fraction, equivalent fraction. So I went with the next common multiple, that is 12. 6 times of 2, that is 12. So don't get confused over here. I didn't go with 6 just because we needed a equivalent fraction for 5 by 6. We can't work with 6 because 5 by 6 will be 5 by 6. We can't change that. So for changing the denominator, we need another number, common number for both the first number and the second number, and that happens to be 12. Okay, so case by case we have to consider and go. So here we are considering the LCM of 4 and 5, which is equal to 20. So basically 3 by 4. I can rewrite this as 3 by 4 into 5 and 5, which is 15 by 20. And next we have 3 by 5, which can be written as 3 by 5 into 4 and 4. So this is equal to 12 by 20. Okay, so I hope I'm not too fast over here. LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. I hope you guys know how to do this. Now, to convert 4 to 20, I should multiply with 5. To convert 5 to 20, I should multiply with 4. That's why we are multiplying with these set of numbers. That's how I'm getting to decide. So let me show it here as well. LCM of 2 and 25 is, 5 is 10. 2 and 5 is 10. To convert 2 to 10, we have to multiply with 5. And so I'm multiplying 5 with both the numerator and denominator. To convert 5 to 10, I should multiply with 2. And so I'm multiplying 3 and 5 with 2. Right? Similarly, to convert 3 to 12, I should multiply with 4. To convert 6 to 12, I should multiply with 2. That's how I'm able to decide the number which I'm multiplying. And finally, I have one more example. So fractional units of 6 by 4 is, 6 by 7 is 1 by 7. Do you guys agree? And 8 by 5 is 1 by 5. And now we need to figure out LCM of, what are the denominators? 7 and 5, which is equal to 35. So how do I convert 7 to 35? What should I multiply with? Correct, 5. And so this is 30 and this is 35. Converting 8 by 5 to, right? So 5 over here, I need to convert it to 35, so that I'll do it with 7. 7 8s are 56 and 35 over here. And that is your answer. Again, converting 5 to 35, I should multiply with 7. That's how I'm getting to decide. That's how that's how I'm deciding. Okay, so you can pause and have a look. See, all these are concept of equivalent fraction, but with a twist of unit, fractional unit between two numbers and trying to make them as equal. So here the fractional unit turns out to be 1 by 10. Here the fractional unit between these two numbers turns out to be 1 by 12. And here the fractional unit turns out to be 1 by 20. And here the fractional unit turns out to be 1 by 35. And that's how we are getting to make the fractions, get equivalent fractions and also make the given two fractions to have the same fractional units. Okay, so actually let me mention that as well. So here the fractional unit is 1 by 10. Here the fractional unit is 1 by 12. Here the fractional unit is 1 by 20. And Here the fractional unit is 1 by 35. So that was the agenda. Okay, so now you can copy. Yeah, now it's proper.